Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Survey Payout. Now if you are looking for a legit survey site, or perhaps you've been looking for a survey site that actually pays, then this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down Opinion Outpost. I'll show you how to sign up, the verifications you face, payouts, countries available, and why is known for fewer disqualifications than many other survey platforms. Okay, and to make this real, I've signed up myself, and then this is a fresh account. I have a previous account with Opinion Outpost, so this account is for this video, so you hear about my actual experience step by step. What you need to do is to stick with me until the end, because I'll share with you the pro tips to avoid wasted time and cash out fast. Okay, so um, one thing you need to know about Opinion Post is this: it is a long-standing survey panel, and it lets you earn reward by sharing your opinions on brands. You can share your opinions on ads and services. Like on Opinion Post, the companies will pay you for your insights and you get rewarded in cash or gift cards. It's been around for many years, and it has a reputation for being one of the most reliable survey platforms. Okay, so these are the different featured offers in this opinion post. So the registration part of Opinion Post is something that is not difficult. You just have to okay, so if you are here, I'm just going to show you what you need to do. Okay, so if this is the interface of the post opinion output. So what you need to know is, um let's check here. So you get your reward via Amazon, and you need to reach 50 points before you can withdraw $5 Amazon gift card from Opinion Outpost. And for you to be able to cash out to your PayPal, you need to have 100 points, which is equivalent to $10. And if you are new to this site and you want to try it out, you can just come here and click on join. So this will take you to where you're going to put in your name. So make sure that you put in your real name. You need to put in your name, and as well you can cash out from Apple gift card, Macy's gift card. Now uh for me, I've gone ahead to sign up, and like I said, this is my dashboard. So here I'm going to show you how you can do yours. So here you get paid for your opinions, and this part where it said email, you need to put the email address. If you are using a PayPal account, if you want to cash out with PayPal, you will just need to uh, make sure that the email you use matches the email of your PayPal, and your first and last name should be the first and last name on your PayPal account, so that your payment will go smooth. But if you're the type that likes gift cards, sometimes I do cash out with gift cards, Amazon gift cards. You can As well, put in your email address, your first and last name. And if you need an address, okay, like here I came here and then got a random address, so you can get random address from bestrandoms.com. Okay, so let's go back here. So, and when you put your address here, email address, you can put a zip code, and here you put in your age. Okay, so if you check in the description of this channel, you'll find a WhatsApp group where I do share updated profile demograph for free. And what you just need to know or do is to get the demograph and then join the community. You can as well be on the group and get updates like this. If you've not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can be among those who will be first to see new updates that are paying online. I'm here to release those who know about my updates are actually enjoying from it. So after this video, there will be lots of videos on paid survey sites and user testing sites where you can test applications and websites. So let's go back to the business of today. You just have to put in an email, your first and last name, put in your address, your zip code, and then you put in your age. You can note that age is like 35, age like 29, 28, 27. They are good for demographic profile. Okay, so if you are male, you can click that you're a male. If you're a female, you click that you're a female. To join on this opinion polls is not difficult. And one thing about them is there is no phone number verification. Okay, there is no phone number verification, but if you want to cash out with your PayPal, they will need to ask you to verify again your email address to confirm if it matches that of your PayPal. So when you're done with the password, you click here to confirm you're not a robot, checking a box, and then you click on I have read and understand the opinion outpost privacy policy. You check in this other box and then you click on get started free. So when you click on get started free, it's going to load a page for you where it will ask you to go confirm your email address. Okay, so now you can join Opinion Outpost. It is mainly available in countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, UK, Canada, Germany, Denmark, the Netherlands. Those who can use those who are in Netherlands can as well work on Opinion Outpost and a few other European countries. So if you're not in these countries, do not worry. Okay, you can as well work on this site with a proxy. If you have a proxy, you can work on this site. So in the comment section, I would love to hear from you your opinion. If you've been on this site before, if this is your first time and you do love to try it, if you have a proxy, if you have a VPN that is do well, I would love to hear from you as you drop on the comment section, and do well to like this video if you are saying that it is worth it. Enjoy my community on WhatsApp. Now, when let's say the verification aspect is done, okay, like I said, so Now, there are a few countries that opinion posts are available or is available. We have the United States, which is the USA, we have UK, it is available in Canada, Germany, Netherlands, and Denmark. So do not feel worried, okay, if you are not in any of these countries. You can as well use a proxy to access these sites. And one thing you need to understand is the opinion outpost, they send surveys daily, especially those in the United States, those who are using the United States proxy as well, or a paid VPN like Mysterium. You can access this site and then you get daily surveys. So there is less, let me log in, this is my dashboard. So there is less disqualification for opinion outpost. And if you do not click on any of these surveys, if they send you a survey and then you are slow in working on the survey, then unfortunately you lose the survey because there are a lot of competitors that are anxiously looking for a way to cash out from this survey. You can as well take a quick poll. Like I said, I have my account already. This is just an account for tutorial. Okay, so the few benefits you can get that you need to know from this opinion post is you get fewer disqualifications. I've said that, and your payout delivers in 24 hours. If you are using, if you get to the threshold of 50 points, you can see that this is very easy. If you can complete the survey for 3 points, this is 8 points, okay, and then this is going to give you 12 points, this is going to give you 15 points, and 15 plus 20 is going to give you 35 points. Let's say plus 2, you're going to get 37 points. So if you come back again to probably in a day, if you are active and consistent on this opinion outpost, you can as well reach the threshold of 50 points, which is equivalent to $5 gift card, Amazon or Apple gift card, and you can cash out. But if you want to cash out via your paper, you need to let it accumulate to 100 points. Okay. So is opinion outpost worth it? Is it worth your time? If yes, especially if you are working with the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, with its low payout threshold, fast paper payment, and fewer disqualification. Well, if that is one of the things that you always look forward for or to experience, for me, it is one of the best survey panel to try right now. So if this review helped you, in one way or the other, you can drop a like, subscribe to my channel. You can as well check in the description of this channel, you will find the WhatsApp community link. You can as well be in our family and community. Subscribe to this channel if this is your first time, and hit the notification bell for more legit survey sites. And if you want to compare opinion outposts with other survey platforms that have few disqualifications, check out my playlist link right in this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.